Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to introduce you a new online tool called vocal remover and isolation. There are so many websites that give you this facility with premium privileges. You should pay those sites. You should purchase a package, or you should pay them as a subscription, or you should pay for your songs. This is one of the websites that I have found today to do this for free. So as you can see here, vocal remover and isolation, separate voice from music out of a song, free with powerful AI algorithm. So they use AI algorithm to remove voices, and I have tested this tool several times with some single songs, and it's worked perfectly. Let's try to do this now. So you visit this website vocalremover.org. So as it is a .org an organization, you can believe that they are doing this for free, and they have some limitations, like they are only supporting for 10 minutes longer the video, and over than 10 minutes they will not support you, and file size should be below than 100 MB. So let's start. You need a MP3 file to do this. I have found our MP3 file. There is a single song called Kimada Sumihiriye. This is the live show. So let's see how it's going on with this tool, and let's try to remove the vocal from this song, live song. So let's play it one time so you can hear the voices and music. So I will double click it. So as you can see, there is voice and music, and it is a live show, and let's try to use this song as an example. So I will close this, and I'll go to website. Then you can click here. You should click here before you start, and default it will become as a first thing. But if you click these tools, you should click once again here, vocal remover. Then you can browse and click here, browse my files. Then you should browse and select the song you want to remove the vocal. So paste that song in my download folder. I will click that and open. Click open. It will take some time to upload and process. Let's see how it's going on. So now it's time for AI to work. Artificial intelligence algorithm now works, and it may take a minute. So we should wait and do not close any pages or do anything else. Just wait until audio is processing. So as you can see, audio processing is finished, and now we should wait until it loads as two separate files. Yeah, right. Now you can see there are two separate files, and there's this is the music track and this is the vocals track. So in here you can see that vocal voice has been mute or take to the lower side, and music side has been go to higher side. So if you play this, you will hear only the music. Let's see. Let's click here. As you can see, there are no voice. So if you want to save this file, you can use this button, and you can directly save it to your computer as MP3 file. and I will try to play this without music. So I will high the volume of vocal, then play. So let's change this. So that's it. What a wonderful website that give you this facility for free. So you can use it and download any file you want, and you can make your own karaoke files. So thank you for joining with us and learning with us. If you like this video and if you want to watch more video like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit pcworld.lk for more articles and news about PC World. And you can also visit kdktech.net to have our services. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.